Well done for calling a timeout and looking after your nervous system. Whatever's happening right now, whatever has caused your stress or activated your body, you've done the right thing by stopping to pause and take a breath. Know that you are safe and everything else can wait. Take a moment to settle into whatever position feels best, sitting, lying down, or gently swaying if that feels comforting. Close your eyes or gaze at a point in front of you. You can place your hands on your heart, on your lap, or anywhere that helps you feel grounded. If you'd like to tap on your body's energy points, you're welcome to do that now as you listen to my voice. Let's take 2 deep breaths together. Inhale slowly through your nose and then sip in a little more air at the top. Exhale through your mouth powerfully, releasing fully, even with a sigh or a sound if that feels good. Again, inhale deeply and exhale completely. Let it all go. Now allow your breath to settle into a natural rhythm. You are here. You are safe. There's nothing you need to do right now except breathe. With every exhale, soften your body just a little bit more. Feel the weight of your shoulders dropping. Feel your face, your jaw relaxing. Feel the ground beneath you, holding you. You are held. You are safe. You are doing the right thing. This is your reset. There's nothing to fix, nothing to figure out. Just this breath and the next. Now gently bring to mind a word, a feeling, or an intention you'd like to carry into the next moment. Maybe it's calm, or peace, or patience. Let that feeling settle in your body as you breathe. Take one more deep breath. Exhale fully. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes or stay here in stillness as long as you need. You've done something kind and very wise for yourself today. Thank yourself for taking this moment. Look after yourself as you go back to your day, my friend.